Jio launches new cloud laptop at 15,000 rupees. Reliance Jio, a leading Indian telecom company, is set to revolutionize the laptop market with its upcoming cloud laptop, priced around 15,000 rupees, marking a significant leap in hardware expansion. At the heart of this laptop is Jio Cloud, a game-changing technology that redefines how laptops function. By shifting processing and storage functions to the cloud, Jio's new laptop promises to deliver impressive performance without the high costs of traditional hardware. This means even entry-level hardware can offer better performance, making technology more accessible to a wider audience. The cloud laptop is currently being tested on an HP Chromebook, but the real beauty lies in its versatility. The cloud PC software isn't limited to the laptop. It can also be accessed on existing devices, such as desktops and smart TVs. This flexibility ensures that users won't necessarily have to invest in new hardware to enjoy the benefits of Jio Cloud. Jio's initiative extends beyond the laptop itself. The company is planning to introduce a monthly cloud subscription, akin to services like Apple's iCloud or Google One. This subscription, whose pricing will be finalized later, is expected to bundle a variety of Jio services, with more specialized features in higher-tier plans. This laptop is a part of Jio's ongoing efforts to make digital technology more affordable and accessible. In July earlier this year, Jio launched the jiobook 2023, priced at 16,499 rupees, powered by an octa-core MediaTek MT8788 processor and running on the Android-based Jios. In addition to computing devices, Jio has also made strides in digital entertainment and Wi-Fi services with its airfiber service, launched in September. Offering over 550 digital TV channels and subscriptions to more than 16 odd apps, airfiber has expanded its reach to 262 towns in India.